Fix update KB5083631, not installing on Windows 11 24H2 25H2. Restart your PC, save all your work, restart the computer properly. Try installing the update again. Check internet connection. Use a stable internet connection, disconnect VPN, if-enabled, restart your router once. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings, Got a System, Open Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Free up storage space, open storage settings, delete temporary files, remove unnecessary large files, keep enough free space available. Pause antivirus temporarily. Disable third-party antivirus temporarily, turn off real-time protection for a short time. Try installing the update again. Restart Windows Update Services, open services from Windows Search, restart. Windows Update Background Intelligent Transfer Service, cryptographic services, Tash, clear Windows Update cache. Stop Windows Update Service, open software distribution folder, deleted download update cache files, restart Windows Update Service. Repair corrupted system files, open command prompt. ACE Administrator run system file repairs cans, wait until the scan finishes completely. Restart the PC afterward. Install latest optional updates, open Windows Update settings, check optional updates section, install all available. Drivers and fixes, restart the disconnect external devices, remove USB devices not needed, disconnect printers or controllers, try updating again. Update drivers, open device manager, update graphics drivers, update chipset and network drivers. Install the update manually. Download KB5083631 manually from Microsoft Update Catalog. Choose the correct Windows version. Install the update manually. Restart the computer after installation. Extra tip: if the update still fails, wait for Microsoft to release a revised patch because some cumulative updates can have temporary installation bugs on certain systems.